In this video, I will show you how to work out the correlation coefficient by Google Sheets. This is a data about height and weight. First of all, we will do the height squared. Put the equal sign, then click here, then squared, enter. Click this. This is an auto field. Then for the weight, we will do the same thing. Squared. Don't forget equal sign. Then click first one. Then to the second power. Enter. Click here. We automatically square the weight. This one. Put the HW, height times weight. Put the equal sign. Click height, then times. Click this weight. Enter. Autofill. After this, we need to figure out sum and average. Click here, put equal sign. Then type sum. This. B3 to B52. We got the sum. Click here, equal sign. Sum. C3 to C52. Enter. Let's check out the average. Equal sign. Average. Then click here, equal sign. Just type average. Click here. Then we need to figure out the sum of HW. So equal sign, sum. This is the formula for correlation coefficient. We need a sum of h to the second power. Equal sign, sum. Click here. Equal sign, sum. Enter. Let's label. This is height. This is weight. Height squared. Weight squared. Height times weight. We will work out the top first. Put the equal sign. Summation of HW means this. Then minus N is 50 times average of H times the average of W. Click here, then times. This is the average of weight. Then enter. This is the top of this formula. Look at the bottom. Equal sign. You have to type square root SQRT. So when you type SQ, they automatically show you here. Then sum of H2 means this one. Minus N is 50 times h bar squared. H bar means the average of height squared. Then parentheses back. Then times again. SQRT. Summation of W squared means this one. Then minus 50 times W bar means average of weight is this one, squared. Then parentheses back, enter. So we will use the top divided by the bottom. Still, remember, you need to put the equal sign. Click here, then divide this. Enter. This is the correlation coefficient of a linear regression line. For this linear regression line, we only see R squared. So let's do one more step, equal sign. Click here, squared, enter. You see we got the same answer, 0.351, which means this R is the correct answer. Now I will show you how to download this Google Sheet. Go File, Download, PDF. Make sure click here, Workbook, so that every work you did has been downloaded. Then export. Go to download folder to find this PDF form.